Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Good evening. Here is our last lecture for engineering management. Actually, there is a lot of topic, no, but the 40 weeks is not enough. And the other topic like gaming theory, clearing theory will be maybe you can still encounter them when you are in the corporate. Okay. But as of now, we will be settled until inventory. Okay. Okay. So inventory, ito yung tinatawag nating stocks, order of store of goods or materials that are waiting to be used. Okay. So aside from your forecasting, kung kailan ka maubusan ng supply, pero ito ang maganda dito, no? You will never encounter situation that you will be out of stock, no? Because you have a proper inventory. And because in inventory, you can still maximize if there are old stock, no, to be on the sale or bargain, no. Kaya nga ang lakas ng loob ng mga store like SM, even the Lazada and the Shopee, they are or the Alibaba, no, because they have this system that will help them to decide, no, the exact amount of to be ordered at the end of the year or for the next year. So inventory is one of the most expensive and important assets to many companies. In fact, pag mali ang inventory mo, 50% ang nawawala. Okay? So that's how very important it was. So there are 4 basic costs that we are going to consider with inventories. We have the cost of the items, cost of ordering, cost of carrying or build or holding inventory, cost of safety stock, cost of stock outs. Anyway, this what I'm saying here. No, I'm going to screenshot them and then I'm going to send it to you. No, don't you worry. No. So meron tayong mga holding or carrying costs. Meron tayong ordering costs. But that are factors between ordering cost versus the carrying cost. Yung ordering cost, ito yung sa department lang, while the carrying cost, ito yung sa buong warehouse, sa buong planta. Okay? Which is involved in ordering cost are bill payment, like or the inventory inquiries, processing and inspecting income inventory, salaries and wages for purchasing department employees, developing and sending purchase order, utilities, phone bills, and so on for the purchasing department, and the supplies such as form and paper for the purchasing department. On the other side, the carrying cost features or the factors involved are insurance, the spoilage, the taxes, the obsolescence, cost of capital, theft, salaries and wages for department, warehouse employee, and finally we have also the utilities and building costs for the warehouse. And then one parameters that we're going to consider is the EOQ. We call it the economic ordering quantity. This one. Ayan. Which is equate to the square root of 2 annual inventory multiplied by cost per order. No? Ito dito divide, this is per order. And then divide by the percent of carrying cost plus the cost per year. or per unit rather. Okay. And the annual in holding or carrying cost is also defined as the order quantity divided by 2 multiplied by the cost per unit per year and the percent of carrying cost. Okay. And the annual ordering cost is defined as well as the number of order placed per year multiplied by the order cost per order. They are interrelated actually. No? But the two component of your annual inventory cost will be the ordering cost plus the carrying cost. The number of orders can also be equated to annual inventory over the EOQ. Example, okay, the ABC Corporation has a soft drinks product that has constant annual demand of 108,000 cases. Ayan, 100,000 cases. A case of soft drinks costs 324,000 per case. Ayan. And the ordering cost is 300 pesos. And the inventory carrying cost is charged of 20% of the cost per unit. Then calculate now the EOQ. Okay. The annual ordering cost, the AOC, the ACC, AOC, as well as the annual carrying cost, the ACC, and the total annual inventory. Okay, so let's first get now the EOQ. The EOQ. Ayan, so 2 times 108,000 multiplied by 300. Okay, that is the annual inventory multiplied by the cost per order divided by the percent of carrying cost, which is 2%, 20% or 0.2, multiplied the cost per unit, which is 324. Okay. And the EOQ is 1,000 or 1,000 cases. Okay. So, meron na tayong EOQ. Ngayon, hanapan din natin yung annual carrying cost, the ACC, which is equivalent to 1,000, the EOQ divided by 2, multiplied by the percent, okay, of the carrying cost, multiplied by the 324 pesos, which is the cost per unit per year, which is 32,400. Okay. The AOC now, the annual ordering cost is equal to number of order per year multiplied by the cost per order, which is the number of orders actually is equivalent to the EOQ divided by the 1,000, which is the economic or the annual inventory divided by the 1,000 economic order quantity will give you 108. Okay, 108. Ito, 108. So we could now go back now since we have now 108. We can now solve for this, no? Yung annual ordering cost. Okay, yung course. No? So baba lang natin to. So we have now 108 multiplied by 300 pesos, which is the number of order per year. Oh, a cost per order. Cost. So 108 is the number of orders per year. Ito yung 108. Tapos ito yung 300 pesos. Okay? Cost per order will give you 32,400. No, nagkataon lang yan guys ha. Na 32,400 sila. Ayan. Okay? So the content of the annual inventory will be now the annual ordering cost plus the annual carrying cost. Okay? Cursor, hindi ko makita yung cursor ko. Ayan. So the annual ordering cost plus the annual carrying cost. No? Yung sa department at saka yung sa warehouse. So 32,400 plus 32,400, we have uh, 64,800. So that will be our ordering. Okay. Annual inventory. Okay. So that's inventory is all about, no? But there are systems that are available. They're being used in, no, in corporate, no? Even in the government, no, they are also uh, using this, no. Nga lang mas epektibo yung sa industry kasi private yun eh. Iba talagang iba magpatakbo ang private, iba rin magpatakbo ang government. No? Because in government, we are also bounded by different laws, especially in bidding, no? Kaya minsan yung cost nagbabago siya because of time, no? Habang tumatagal ang bidding, nagbabago yung cost per unit, no? Kaya minsan na masyadong ano ang government policy pagdating sa ganito. Okay? Okay. So this is it. Thank you for listening and I'll see you around. No? Thank you for the 14 weeks of online, but our term test will be a face-to-face. Okay. So covers everything. Okay. Thank you. God bless us all.